So once you've traced your image, you can then extrude all the curves to create this butterfly pendant. So I'm going to start by extruding the green curve, the outline. So I'm going to move on to the green layer and I'm going to lock the purple and the orange, okay? So I'm bringing the surface creation menu and I'm going to use the extrude straight. So select curve to extrude and then press enter. And now there's a few options here at the top and we could extrude both sides, which I don't want. I want just one side, but I want as a solid, okay? And I want the thickness of my pendant to be 2 millimeters. So the extrusion distance that is asking me on the command line, I'm going to type 2. And if I zoom in now and I shade it, you can see that my butterfly is now solid. I will move on to the purple layer and I will lock the orange and the green and I will do the same thing. So I'm just going to click on extrude straight and I'm going to select all the purple curves and then press enter. But this time I'm going to click solid yes and I'm going to click both sides because if you go to the top view, I want the cutters to go through the butterfly because I'm then going to delete them. So either on the top view or on the right view, you can see that the cutters are longer than the green outline. I'm going to extrude now finally the orange ellipses. So I'm on the orange layer and I'm going to select them all. And now I want to extrude just a tiny little bit. So these ellipses are just going to be used to create a little texture. So I'm going to extrude them, not both sides, just one side as solids. And really, I want them to be, I'm just going to do 0.4 of a millimeter, okay? So if I go on to the perspective view, I just want to add some little detail onto my butterfly. Now I want to use the purple cutters to cut through the butterfly. So not the surface creation, I'm going to use the solid tools. So I'm going to use the Boolean difference. And I'm going to the green layer and actually just unlock the purple and lock the orange. So select surfaces or polysurfaces to subtract from. This is the green and then press enter to continue. I'm going to leave delete input and delete cutters yes because I don't need the cutters anymore, but if you want to keep it then you just have to say no. Press enter. And then the polysurface that I'm going to subtract with is all, the purple sections. And now if I shade it, you can see that the butterfly now has all the cut sections. So finally, what I want to do is just to, Boolean union these small details onto the butterfly. So I'm going to click Boolean union and I'm just going to unlock the orange layer, just select the whole thing and press enter. So now if you can see, if I click, they are all one piece. So, these little extrusions, they are part of the butterfly now. And you can see one closed polysurface added to selection.